Welcome to the Immunization Record Submission tutorial. We will go through the Campus Connect screens and steps you can follow to submit your required immunization records to our office. After you sign into Campus Connect, select the Student Resources tile from your homepage. Next, click on Immunization Status from your left-hand menu. A new window will pop up displaying your immunization requirement grid, so be sure to disable any pop-up blockers you may have set on your browser. This page outlines the immunization records required for all DePaul students who enroll and attend a campus location for courses. The immunization grid displays your summary of immunization records at DePaul. You are required to submit proof of immunization for the records with required, incomplete/expired, or not received in your grid. At the bottom of this page, you can select how you'd like to submit your records. If you do not have your records available to upload, you can click the second option so your healthcare provider can complete and sign our immunization form on your behalf. Let's follow this option for now and select Next. You can click the link in the middle of the screen to download a copy of the DePaul University immunization form. From here, you can print out the form and bring it to your physician. Once your physician completes this form and indicates the dates you received the required inoculations, you can then come back to Campus Connect and submit this documentation online following the directions we'll walk through next. When you have an electronic version of your immunization records, you can upload them to our office. Next to the Yes button, you can see the electronic document formats we accept to review your records. Below that Yes button, you can review the acceptable types of documentation you can upload to satisfy these immunization requirements. After selecting Yes, click on the Next button. Please review the user agreement statement on this page. From there, click on the button confirming you have read the statement and agree to its terms. Then, click Next. Just like the grid on the previous pages, this one also shows the individual records you need to submit. When selecting the inoculation for which you're submitting documentation, keep in mind that you can mouse over the name of the inoculation to see acceptable alternative names for each record. After selecting the inoculation record under the Select column, you need to then enter the date or dates you received that inoculation in the Date Taken fields. After selecting the dates of your inoculations, you can then select the Browse button to attach the electronic document confirming your immunization records. Once you've chosen the files you'd like to upload, you can click on the Upload Immunization button. We'll let you know the submission was successful by sending you a confirmation email to your DePaul.edu email address. Contact DePaul Central if you have any questions or if you would like additional information about immunization requirements or immunization exemptions. We are your one-stop resource for helping you manage the business side of being a student. Thank you.